Hello, beautiful people. Today I have a very important question for you. What is your relationship with a Monday? Do they excite you? Do they make you nervous? Do you want to skip a Monday as soon as you see it coming? Or are you just waiting for the weekend as soon as you hit a Monday? Watch this video till the end to improve your relationship with a Monday. I'm assuming that you have seen the first and the second part of this series of 6 P's for the year 2022. If you haven't, pause while I wait for you right here. Don't compare your progress with his progress. Well, I'm going to revisit a point that I mentioned in the second part, which is about not comparing yourself, rather not comparing your progress with others. Easy to say, not easy to do. Was it easy for me? Hell no, because I have always been surrounded by people who have been overachievers, who have always been better than me in every area of life. It was practically impossible for me to not compare myself with them every single day. Some people make us feel shitty about ourselves. Some people glorify us more than our potential. Some people pull us down intentionally or unintentionally. Some people push us for our own good. Sometimes they see the potential within us that we often overlook. And there's one more very important category, the one that shows us the mirror. Needless to say, today's video is about people. I'm sure you've heard this before. You are the average of 5 people that you spend the most time with. Here's a quick exercise for you. Make a list of 5 people you spend the most time with on an everyday basis. Take a moment, reflect. Have they been influencing you? Have you been adapting their traits? Have you been mirroring their patterns? I don't know about you guys, but this is what I have often experienced. If my average 5 are constantly gossiping and cribbing and complaining about life, I start doing that too. If my average 5 is about growth and gratitude and self-improvement, I start doing that too. These things don't happen in a day. Patterns definitely take time to develop. So, chances are that if your peers are now talking about the new Omicron variant, you will start worrying about it soon. If your peers have been talking about the Nykaa IPO, let's say you will probably Google about who Falguni Nair is. All I'm trying to say is, you are the average of 5 people that you spend the most time with. Guys, we are all social animals at the end of the day. We want to be heard. We want to belong. But where we want to belong is our choice. Whether you want to be more grateful or whether you want to crib more about something. The point that I'm trying to drive here is you cannot change the people around you, but you can change the people around you. Listen to that again. Well, it was a short video today, and like always, I'll see you next Sunday and keep becoming a better version of yourself. Before that, including today's Sunday, we have just 4 Sundays for this year, and I need 630 subscribers to hit my goal of 1000 subscribers. So please people, subscribe kar do yaar. Okay, until next time, tada.